Here we have the 2023 Mazda CX-30 GX all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a stunning machine gray color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, I have a nice leather armrest, power lock windows and mirrors, black cloth upholstery. Going inside here, left side got an air vent, safety shield, audio radio Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, cruise control functions, auto rain wiper controls for the front and the rear wiper controls. Coming to the infotainment system here, your fuel efficiency monitor, your vehicle status monitor, entertainment. Check out our source list. We have FM, AM, Pandora, Bluetooth, and a couple of USB inputs. Communication. If the phone via Bluetooth, you can, and if you do, you'll have access to your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside, and your dial pad. Navigation. There is currently no nav card yet inserted in the CX-30. We can get that added as a accessory. Just talk to your sales rep if you are interested in that at all. Settings. In-vehicle displays have your center displayed and an instrument cluster. Sound settings have your adjustment mode, bass, treble, listening position, fader, balance, automatic level control, and source level adjustment. Safety settings. In our driver assistance tab have our adaptive cruise confirmation, safety alerts, have our rear cross traffic, and blind spot monitoring, and we have our pedal misuse alert there as well. Moving on down, have your climate control functions, fan controls, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, 2 cup holders, sport mode switch, backup camera, auto hold, electronic park brake, volume rocker, center console, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. In front have our LED headlights, engine block heater, cord, black and curl finish grill with your Mazda badge in the middle. Bridgestone tires on our gunmetal alloy rims, paint matching door handles, CX-30 all-wheel drive badge. Open up the trunk. 60-40 split for those rear seats and a cargo cover. Let's take a look at the back seats. Back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, all-weather mats, tons of legroom and headroom. Same cloth upholstery as you have in the front. Let's head back. Gonna wrap it up for the 2023 Mazda CX-30 GX all-wheel drive in machine gray colors. If you have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.